You know that moment when you step out onto the porch? It is peaceful summer day. Coffee in one hand, phone in the other, but suddenly your Wi-Fi decides that it's indoors only. No, not anymore, because this is the new wAP AX LTE7 kit. It is made for real-life spaces where you want to be. Your countryside house, your garden, your terrace, your workshop, places where you want proper coverage, but you also want something that doesn't look like a satellite dish or an experiment bolted to the wall. And first, just holding this thing, it feels premium. The enclosure is solid, dense, properly built. Not hollow, not flimsy. The new housing, compared to previous wAPs, is more sturdy and is clearly designed with better heat management in mind. It is built to sit outside year-round and stay stable, even when the temperature swings from freezing mornings to hot summer afternoons. And this logo? It's not just for decoration. It's made from this really dense, slightly bouncy material, very satisfying. Actually, there's a reason behind it. There's a concealed anti-vandal screw, so it looks clean and minimal, but inside there's a promise of security. So subtle outside, serious on the inside, because it is IP66 weatherproof. Rain, dust, wind, not a problem. Mount it on the wall, on the porch, near the garden, and forget about it. It just quietly does its job. Performance-wise, you're getting dual-band Wi-Fi 6 with 2x2 MIMO and strong antenna gain, so coverage actually reaches across your property, not just to the next room. House, yard, garage, terrace, properly covered, thank God. And then there's the LTE. We have upgraded it to a category 7 LTE modem. That means higher efficiency, carrier aggregation, and yes, up to double the upload speed, of course depending on your mobile operator tower. Plus, expanded LTE frequency support, including bands 28 and 32, which is especially useful in congested areas or locations where lower bands help you get better reach and stability. It is one of those upgrades that you don't always see, but you definitely feel. Under the hood, it runs a modern dual-core ARM CPU with our beloved Router OS version 7. Stable performance, excellent VPN capability for remote work and studies and so on. Support for the new Capsman if you're managing multiple access points. And also, of course, you get 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, PoE-in for clean installations. But of course, there's the good old DC jack as well, because flexibility matters. And in typical MikroTik wAP fashion, it doesn't try to be flashy, it blends in and doesn't attract any unwanted attention, which is important for an outdoor weatherproof device. So, if you want strong Wi-Fi in your garden, stable and fast mobile internet at your countryside home, or a reliable connectivity around your property without turning your walls and interiors into some sci-fi project, this is it. The new wAP AX LTE7.